Sanu, welcome. Today we're going to unlock the kind of mental math skills you see with top market traders and bankers. We're talking about the core operations that literally make money move. It's time to build your very own arithmetic powerhouse. So let's dive right in. Have you ever really stopped to wonder how market traders can handle money so quickly? Seriously, think about it. In a super busy market, there's just no time to be pulling out a calculator. It's all happening right up here, in their heads, instantly and, more importantly, accurately. So how do they do it? Well, they've absolutely mastered the fundamentals we're about to dig into. It's not magic, not at all. It's math, and you're about to learn all the secrets. So first up, big numbers. Because in life, and especially in business, the numbers can get big, and they get big fast. The absolute foundation of handling money is being able to add and subtract large sums with total confidence. Mistakes? They just aren't an option. This is all about precision. All right, let's try a real-world scenario. Let's meet Mama Kemi. She's had a really good couple of days at her stall, right? She sold Zobo worth 4,925 naira and Kunu worth 3,061 naira. Okay, so I've got two questions for you. First, what were her total sales? And second, in that total, what is the place value of that second digit? Go ahead and pause here if you need to and give it a shot. So, how'd you do? You see, the key is to align the numbers by their place value, units over units, tens over tens, and so on. When you add them all up, you get 7,986 naira. Now for that second question. Look at the digit 9. Its position tells us everything about its value. It's not just 9, it's 9 hundredths. That's place value in action. It's what turns a simple digit into a specific amount of money. Okay, so we've handled big positive numbers. But what happens when things go the other way? Let's explore the world below zero. This is where we really get into the power of what we call directed numbers. And this is such a powerful idea. Numbers aren't just quantities, they actually have direction. A positive number, that's a gain, a step forward. A negative number is a loss, a step back. They literally tell you which way things are moving. And this right here is our map for that whole story, the number line. Just think of it like a road with 0 as your starting point. You move to the right and you're in positive territory. You move to the left and you're going negative. This simple little line makes everything make sense. All right, it's time for another challenge. Picture this. You're starting at point 0 on our number line. You take 5 steps forward. Then, suddenly, you realize you dropped something, so you quickly turn around and take 7 steps backward. So really think about it. You started at 0. You moved forward 5. Then you came back 7. Where do you end up on the number line? You end up at -2. That's right. See, those first 5 steps forward, they got you to the positive 5 mark. But then, walking 7 steps back from there, that takes you all the way past 0 and 2 spots into negative territory. So you're literally 2 steps behind where you first started. Pretty simple when you see it like that, right? Okay, now let's connect all of this to your actual daily life. Because this isn't just theory, it's a super practical tool. You're about to see the power of directed numbers absolutely everywhere. Just look at all the places these numbers show up. Depositing money into your bank account. That's a positive action. A withdrawal? Well, that's a negative. Walking upstairs is positive, walking downstairs is negative. Temperature above 0 is positive, below freezing is negative. See, you've been using directed numbers your whole life, probably without even realizing it. All right, let's put it all together. We're going to combine big numbers and directed numbers for the ultimate real-world test, the ATM challenge. So here's the scene. You check your account, and you have a positive balance of 1,000 naira. Nice. Then you go and deposit 500 naira, another positive move. Your new balance is now 1,500 naira. So far, so good. But then a big project comes up. You head to the ATM and you withdraw 2,000 naira. Now, I'm sure you noticed the problem here. You're trying to take out more than the 1,500 naira you actually have. This is where understanding directed numbers becomes totally essential. So this is the moment of truth. You had 1,500 naira, and you just took out 2,000. What does that ATM screen show you now? Your new balance is -500 naira.
You've gone below zero. You didn't just spend all your money, you actually spent money you didn't even have. And in the banking world, that has a very specific name.
It's called an overdraft. Yeah, when your account balance goes negative, it actually means you owe the bank money. That little minus 500 on the screen, that's not just a number anymore. It's a real debt. And this right here is exactly why understanding negative numbers is so crucial for managing your own money.
So let's just step back for a second and look at the powerful new tools you've just added to your math toolbox. I mean, these are skills you can literally start using today.
Look at everything you've mastered. You can now calculate with 4-digit numbers. You get place value. You can use a number line to handle both positive and negative integers. And, most importantly, you can apply all of it to real life, from your bank account to just walking down the street.
So there you have it. You've officially built your own arithmetic powerhouse. Place value and directed numbers, they're no longer just abstract ideas in a textbook. They're practical tools for navigating the world. So the only question left is this: what real-life math problem are you going to solve first?